How to put promo codes in Subway app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be teaching you guys on putting the promo codes in Subway app and utilizing it. So in order to successfully add a promo code in the Subway app, it is really important to ensure that your app is up to date with the latest version available. By logging into your existing account or creating a new one, you can access incredible deals and discounts offered through the promo codes. As you proceed to make your food selections and move towards the payment stage, be sure to choose the gift card option as your preferred payment method. This is where you will have the opportunity to enter the gift card number or input the promo code accurately. Upon doing so, if the code is valid, you will immediately notice a discount reflected in your total amount due, and this seamless process not only enhances your overall experience but also allows you to enjoy your favorite Subway items at reduced prices. Remember, being mindful of these steps will enable you to make the most out of your promo code feature within the Subway app. So this was all about it. This is how you can put the promo codes in Subway app and utilize it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.